Get ready with me. I'm gonna start off with some Stay Super Glowy Gel. This is in the shade Sun Glow, and it's like a really dark shade, but I find this compares to like the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. Honestly, I like the way this works better. It also gives you that like sun glow, sun-kissed little tan, but it's just more moisturizing. It's literally like the same exact thing. Next, I'm going to use the Kosas foundation. I've actually been so obsessed with their foundations. They're amazing. This is in the shade 240, and I use a little kabuki brush to apply my foundation now. It doesn't absorb as much product as a beauty blender, but it also leaves this like shiny, glowy sheen. And it's honestly so much faster to apply my foundation this way. Once I'm done applying the foundation with the brush, I like to go in with any moisturizing spray. I love this Mist Superfood one, and I just spray a light little mist over my face. Give it like 1 second to absorb. Then I'll take my damp beauty blender and I will blend that into the foundation. I literally love doing this. My skin always looks so beautiful every time I do this. I also have dry skin, so this really helps with keeping moisture, and it makes the foundation look super glowy. Next, I'm going to use the Kosas concealer. I have the shade 3.5W. Tapping it into the skin with my fingers first, then blend it out with a beauty blender. For contour, I love this Persona Cosmetics one. Just taking it on a brush and applying it. Oh, girl, contouring her nose like this. I usually don't do this because I have a little ball round nose at the end, but I really want to try it. And then she said to blend it out with your fingers. I mean, I guess that looks good, kind of. For blush today, I'm going to use my favorite Man-Eater blush from Tarte, and this is in Peachy Pink. So pretty. Am I allowed to put this on my nose now? I'm going to skip out on the nose right now and just blend out my blush. For highlight, I'm going to use this Pillow Talk one from Charlotte Tilbury. And blending it out. Such a pretty highlighter. For the nose highlight, I'm using the same type of brush that I used for the contour, except this is a clean one. I'm going to just, I guess, line it like that. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury powder. I literally just dropped it on the floor, but there's like almost nothing left. I'm going to make sure my concealer is blended and then apply this right underneath. And then powder underneath here. And then a little on the forehead. I'm going to use this Tarte palette, a little brown shade in the crease, did a little wing, and now I'm applying Lash Clash mascara. And here is the finished look.